Welcome to Gossip About Gossip, powered by Hedera Hashgraph. In each episode, we'll cut through the hype of blockchain promises and explore real-world examples of organizations creating the next generation of decentralized applications, which will bring trust back to the internet for us all.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the latest episode of Gossip About Gossip, the podcast where we talk about real-world applications of distributed ledger technology. My name is Zenobia Godschalk, and I'm the SVP of Communications here at Swirlds Labs, helping to grow the Hedera ecosystem. Today, I am thrilled to be joined by Xiang Xu, who is with us from our very new council member, Mondelēz. Hi, Xiang, how are you?
Hey, how are you, Zenobia? How are you?
Good. So many of us probably put Mondelēz's delicious treats in our mouths every day, but I don't know if everybody realizes the scope of your company and your brands and all the things that you do. So can you share with our community a little bit about the company and some of your products?
Yeah. Thank you, Zenobia, for a quick introduction. So my name is Xiang Xu, and I'm leading the global COE of technology, digital strategy, and blockchain. So Mondelēz, as you just mentioned, is famous for treaties and chocolates and all those brands. We know it, Oreo is just one of them. But beyond those chocolates and treaties and snacks, we also have a digital strategy moving forward, as we knew it. So the world is changing, and a traditional large enterprise like Mondelēz has a clear strategy going forward, how we move to next level with a digital conversion from a traditional business into eventually a digital economy going forward. And with that, we have a larger team within our organization called Mondelēz Digital Service, which truly focus on new breakthrough technology and all those things we're touching upon, including blockchain, DLTs, AI, XR, VR, and computer vision, just name a few of them. And it's just important. It's one of those pillars within our strategy for next 5 years. If we want to address a doubling the revenue going forward from 30 to 50, $60 billion going forward next 5 years, and digital transformation is one of those key pillars for going forward.
And digital transformation means a lot of different things to different companies. For a consumer products company like yours and a food manufacturer like yours, what does that mean? Is that a more direct engagement with customers? Is that testing? What are all the things that digital transformation encompasses?
Yes, Zenobia, you just touched upon one of the very important aspects of the direct engagement with consumers. As we know, right? If we go to the grocery shop and take Oreo from the aisle, it costs $55 an order with $15. It's just a really affordable product for everyone. So if we're running the same business for past 100 years, right? So we're going to have organic growth and have a 10, 20% and adding on each every year. But if we want to leap beyond that 15 and 20% growth rate, right? Then we're talking about how do we achieve this? How do we reach the Gen Z consumer, right? If we talk about Gen Z consumer, they're all on the phone, they're all on social media platform. If we want to engage those young consumer going forward and doubling our revenue progression, we need to adopt new strategy going forward, right? So, and just go to grocery store shop and buy product. It's just one way to doing that. And general and digital strategy, right? Consumer engagement. How do you using an NFT and a blockchain, those technology to engage consumer in digital world? It's one of the most important innovation idea we're exploring today, and that's one reason we want to work with Hedera DLTs and to explore potentials in that space, and that is very important for us.
And can you talk to us a little bit about how you first learned about Hedera and then your journey and decision to join the Governing Council?
Yes, I think back to August last year, 2023, and as we walking through one of those digital transformation from a traditional paper coupon, right? We're rewarding consumer with coupons on paper-based reimbursement process. And we look at one of those vendors out there, SKEX, one of them, who providing a transformation for paper coupon into digital coupon base, right? Basically, we're talking about a 7 to 10 days business conversion into 20 seconds. So this is very, very, very interesting and encouraging. We had multiple session with SKEX exploring those technology going forward. And with that engagement, POC we built and very successful. And we really create this momentum within the company from a traditional business process and business governance model into a complete new way to engage consumer. So with that, and we learned the underneath technology is Hedera DLTs. And I think with that past 6 months, almost like 6 months in POC, we truly tested and leveraged the infrastructure. We also think it's a scalable business environment. And this is very important. I think at the end of the day, we want to reach the consumer beyond just North America or Latin America. We want to reach it globally. In order to do that, a scalable infrastructure is a very important aspect for us.
And so you mentioned SKEX. They are, sort of a partner that has helped you on this journey, it sounds like.
Exactly. SKEX, if I'm not wrong, is one of those leading application built on top DLT, Hedera DLT layer, and they have a variety of applications running right now. As for now, we're just building a first POC on those digital coupon side, but we also explore eventually future cross-border payment, digital payment. So those type of things going to be all part of this digital economy going forward, and we are very open and we want to explore opportunities and to see whether we can build a future digital strategy pipeline. That is our main focus.
That's fantastic. And I want to go back to just that first, POC that you're talking about. With coupons, it seems like there's two key benefits there, both in terms of, having that direct connection that you talked about with the consumer and learning more about their habits and what they like, but also potentially reducing fraud. I think a lot of us have seen some of the movies and other depictions of how coupons can be fraudulently used and potentially hurt the brands that are trying to offer these savings.
Yeah, so this is one of those kind of important valuation process, right? Because we just don't want a say, okay, we achieve a huge goal as a move for a paper-based 7 to 10 days process. We don't even have insight after the coupons are redeemed by consumer. Now we have a 20 seconds redeem process. We understand how the consumers redeem, which retail store they're going at, which product they're buying. We have a complete insight. But beyond that, as you mentioned, fraud prevention is one of the key things, right? We've been doing that in the past many. So the reimbursement process is one of those kind of the aftershock. We're also dealing with our consumer, right? Reimburse those consumer because of fraud. So the ultimate removing of fraud, right? Really 100% prevention of fraud going forward because of digital ledger, which we're building and have a secure and also encrypted process to validate an end user to the specific link. It's a tremendous benefit. So we're promoting internally within the Mondelēz, not just for the digital coupon, but it's also for other use cases, because the fraud prevention is one of the key measurement we've been putting in place in the entire consumer engagement journey. We've been doing that for past 20 and 30 years.
Yeah. Well, we are very excited to welcome you to the council. I know you will start to have conversations with other council members. Is there anything in particular that you're looking forward to?
Yes. One of the decision factors is also we're looking at the current council member, right? So they are across industry and they are leading large enterprise in all this industry segmentation. We're looking forward, right, to work with ServiceNow, Google, IBM, and then Boeing's really try to leverage, try to understand, try to also learn how other large enterprises using DLTs and to improve their business process and move beyond the just digitization, but into digital economy. That's one of the key benefits. We see it, and we hopefully we can leverage that benefit.
Fantastic. Well, Xiang, on behalf of the entire Hedera community, welcome. We are so excited to have you, and we look forward to being on this journey with you.
Thank you very much, Zenobia. We're looking forward to working with you closely.
Thank you.